Yo, welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. Without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. Right now, we're sitting at $60,971.78. Buying power sitting at $554.68. We got cash earning interest, $555.81. I got Bitcoin sitting at $96,231. We were up a little bit earlier today in the value of Bitcoin. As you can see, we reached up to 98,000. That's the highest today, 98,361. And we had $100 worth invested in Bitcoin. Same with Ethereum. Got $100 invested in Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum's at 3369 to be exact. We got it for $31.48. So we made a small profit there, but we're still holding $100 worth of Ethereum. Now, going on to the bread and butter of the portfolio, we see that it's been an up and down day all throughout the market. We got 200 shares of SPLG sitting at $70.65. We got 200 shares. Market value is $14,179.86. Average cost is $63.35. Total return altogether, even though we took a loss of $58 today, total return altogether is $1,465.20, or a positive 11.52% increase on the gains. Also, guys, we got Coca-Cola sitting at $62.65. Coca-Cola finished the day off in the negative today. We got 32.71 shares. Market value is $2,049.68. Average cost, $60.72. Total return, $62.99, or a 3.17% return. Coca-Cola has been on and off for the majority of this year, so we'll see how we end 2024 with Coca-Cola. On this next ETF, guys, I've been thinking about selling out of it just to free up some cash. I don't know, you guys let me know. It's going to be DGRO. It's the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF, sitting at $62.25. We got 74.41 shares of DGRO. Market value is $4,632.28. Average cost is $56.78. Total return is $407.05, or a 9.63% increase. DGRO is a dividend paying and growth making ETF. It's kind of like a hybrid. So, like I said, I've been thinking about selling out of that position, freeing up some cash, but I also been making some good gains with DGRO, so kind of left it in there. NVDA is sitting at $139.46. Once we hit the resistance level of 140 and can end the day above 140, guys, I think that would be one of the catalysts that we need to go ahead and go higher than 150 and 160. So we'll keep your eyes out for that. With the earnings report coming up, and then with the dividend payout coming, NVIDIA should be able to do that. I got 54.71 shares in NVIDIA here. Market value is $7,630.10. Average cost is $118.26. The total return is $1,159.54, or a positive 17.92% increase. Into the traditional IRA account, we got $43,611.34. Buying power, we got $12,461.60. Got that on reserve, so when it's time to buy at a good price, we'll have the money there ready. Now, I want to take a look at this NVIDIA position. I just showed you I had 54 shares. Now I got 150 shares over here. Market value is $20,917.50. Average cost is $109.98. Total return of $4,423.16, or a 26.81% increase. Altogether, got over 204 shares of NVDA. Very exposed to this stock. Got another 60.70 shares of SPLG over here. Now, FTEC is my Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. It tracks the index sector, the technology sector. Right now, it's sitting at $191.93. It had a pretty positive day. 14 shares in this particular position is worth $2,703. Average cost is $171.92. Total return $281.80, or a positive 11.64% increase. Excuse me. Next, we got MicroStrategy. Ended the day in the negative, $345. I got 3 shares of MicroStrategy for market value is $1,035. Average cost is $307.78. Total return is $111.66, or a 12.05% increase. Tech today has been down, so I'm really impressed that FTEC was actually up in the green, because the rest of the technology sector for the most part was pretty much down. We also have Costco in the portfolio now, sitting at $955.98. We got 1 share of Costco for market value is $9,955.98. Average cost was $954.79. We are positive for $1.19, or 0.12% increase. We're looking to buy and hold Costco long term because I believe in the company. I believe in the equity that free cash flow that it generates, equity within the company, and I believe that they will continue to grow. This company is based off of membership business and based off of subscriptions, memberships, the cost of goods and services. So next up, we got AMD. AMD is trading in the negative as well at $124.97. We got 10 shares of AMD, looking to expand for more. Market value is $1,249.70. Average cost $120.38. Total return is $45.90, or a 3.81% increase. I believe this company continues to go up. Excuse me. AMD is not a bad company. Now, they don't have as much of the market share like NVIDIA does, but they are like the best number 2 company out there in the tech sector, and they're looking forward to expanding what they do. And they've already had the low of the lows, I believe, for this year. And going into 2025, I believe AMD stock price goes up. Altogether, we're sitting at $104,565.92. We got another $7,900 in the Fidelity IRA account as well. So clearly on our path to over 110K, on our path to 250K, and on our path to over 500K. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video with anybody and everybody that has questions about finance. Until next time, this is KD Investor signing off. Over and out. Peace.